సాదర స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. వినాయక జయ హే భారత భాగ్య విధాత యమునా గంగా ఉజ్జల జల వితరంగా. గవర్నర్ గారికి ఇన్ఛార్జ్ మంత్రివర్యులు
సార్
all the public representatives present here, MLAs and MPs elected, and in schools we are implementing for attendance facial recognition system. Midday meal thank you, sir. Now I request the collector Varadhan is given as whole that in colloquial it became and the founder king of Kakatiyas was Ganapati Deva, and Kakatiyas have ruled this area, sir, and Rani Devi, the female ruler, was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. And this dynasty had faced so many rise and fall during different times, and which left out so many architectural marvels and archaeological sites in this district, sir. And the present day Varangal, the total area is 1766 square kilometers, sir. It comprises of 2 revenue divisions and 13 mandals. We have 325 gram panchayats covered in 190 villages. We have 1 municipal corporation comprising in the 2 mandals, that is Varangal and Tirunelveli. And we have schools, the digital classroom, Samagara Shiksha, we have given vehicles, sir, and civil works, and also secretary of the government good application, sir. Civil works of 17 of the district, sir. Basically, the district in the district, sir. Till now, we have work completed. Kuda, Jayapur, Bangalore, National Collector, for every one of you present here today for interaction. And these works were taken up very quickly because it was done by the mothers and by the youths. So they took a lot of interest in ensuring that the quality. So we have
something there which doesn't make it end.
Sir.
How to end it?
Yes, sir.
Lovely
We'll work
good
it on
idea.
it, sir. Yes, sir.
End is important.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are also focused on their sustainability, sir. Not only grounding them. Yes, sir.
Very important subject.
Then, sir, in yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then, sir, in civil supplies, we have almost 2.6 lakh ration card holders, sir. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anemia. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is happening across the state, sir. Here we have completed 28 such Anganwadis.
Because Anganwadi was not clearly defined.
Yes, I have photos also, sir.
Earlier times in our states or other states, Anganwadi is not clearly defined.
Sir.
Anganwadi अच्छा है हम जानते हैं, पर क्या करता है हम मालूम नहीं था.
Sir.
Now you will have it defined.
Yes, sir.
That's a very good idea.
Yes,
You are doing it here also.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Across the state, it's being done.
That's a very good idea. That's a very good idea.
Then, sir, as a scheme of excise and narcotics department, to wait for the results like how this would take off, sir. And here we would be targeting age group of 11 to 18 years, sir. And the Anganwadi center, sir, I am just presenting the pictures which are drawn where the children would come to school and then they would learn from the wall itself. That's the idea, sir, basically. And also they have a small group kind of a daily play group kind of an activity which would involve them into the community activities, sir.
What are you doing in UNESCO? Previous slide back.
UNICEF, sir. UNICEF gives us the basic training as to the world-class knowledge, what is there available. Yes, yes, sir.
To the VO.
To the VO, sir. VOs in turn would go to the school and then they will form a Sneha committee in the school, sir, with girls of 11 to 18 group. They take it out and then this would they would educate them on the safety, how to be safe and the self-defense mechanisms, the nutrition, because
This is a new thing.
this is a very new thing, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
75% is I.
and in I'll look at it, sir.
Well,
Once
I
again,
think 1%, 2% हो गया.
yes, sir.
Not more than
Check this first.
Yes, I'll check it, sir. Yes, sir. I'll check it, sir.
Check it, check it.
Then,
Oh, you know very well about it.
sir, then under Pradhan Mantri,
Let me see the ruban.
sir.
Urban, yeah.
Under Urban Mission, sir, at Parvatagiri cluster, sir. This is a mandal which is will work out, sir.
So one should work it out.
Yes.
In Tripura also, I tell all the officers, let us see at least one ruban, because the work is always ongoing.
Yes, sir.
वो हो गया, सड़क हो गया तो ड्रेन नहीं हुआ, ड्रेन हुआ तो लाइट नहीं हुआ, लाइट हुआ तो हाउसिंग नहीं हुआ, something, you know. So it keeps on going on. So
Yes,
one,
sir.
how to finish it, that is the challenge actually.
I'll work it out on that.
It's a very big challenge for you IS officers.
Yes.
How to get one ruban ready
Sir.
in the country actually.
Yes, sir.
If it's a ongoing process for eternity, then it becomes, to
Yes.
infinity, it becomes very difficult. ठीक ना?
Yes, sir.
So
Noted.
try to get it on ready.
Yes, sir.
Not you only, all over the country,
All
same
over the
thing.
country. Yes, sir.
I visited many places in the country and asked the ruban ready है क्या? नहीं ongoing है. हमारा state में ongoing होते रहता है. How to finish it? It's quite a old program of the central government.
Sir.
Somehow or the other there is some, something there which doesn't make